Welcome back to Health Buddy. Today we're diving into the world of kidney health and the power of fruits to naturally cleanse and support these vital organs. Did you know your kidneys filter about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons? Let's explore 5 powerful fruits and how they can boost your kidney health. First up, blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Studies suggest they may even slow down diabetic kidney disease progression. Furthermore, blueberries are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney issues. Additionally, their high antioxidant content, including polyphenols, helps combat oxidative stress, a major factor in kidney problems. Opt for fresh organic blueberries to maximize their benefits and avoid harmful pesticides. Whether added to your breakfast or enjoyed as a snack, incorporating blueberries into your daily routine can significantly enhance your kidney health. Next, let's talk about apples. Low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, apples are fiber-rich, aiding in reducing the risk of kidney stones and improving gut health. Their antioxidants like quercetin help manage blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Additionally, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help control blood sugar levels and support weight management, indirectly benefiting the kidneys. When choosing apples, opt for organic varieties to avoid pesticides and enjoy them whole to retain their fiber and antioxidant content. Remember, an apple a day can indeed keep the doctor away, including the kidney doctor. Moving on to cranberries, another kidney-friendly fruit. Low in sugars but high in antioxidants, cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Moreover, cranberries are about 87% water, making them an excellent hydrating option, essential for kidney health. Incorporate fresh organic cranberries into your diet by adding them to oatmeal, salads, or enjoying them as a snack. Their tangy flavor adds a delicious twist to smoothies, making them a versatile addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Now, let's explore the benefits of grapes for kidney health. With their high water content, grapes act as natural diuretics, increasing urine production, essential for waste removal. Resveratrol found in grape skins reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, benefiting kidney health. Additionally, grapes are rich in flavonoids like catechin, epicatechin, anthocyanins, and procyanidins, which further contribute to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. When selecting grapes, choose firm, plump ones with green, flexible stems, and opt for organic varieties to avoid harmful pesticides. Enjoy grapes as a snack or add them to salads and smoothies for a refreshing burst of flavor while supporting your kidney health. Lastly, let's discuss the benefits of watermelon for kidney health. This juicy fruit is a natural diuretic with about 92% water by weight, aiding hydration crucial for kidney function. Watermelon is also low in oxalate, a key factor in causing kidney stones, making it a smart choice for individuals prone to kidney stones. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant that fights oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting the kidneys from damage. Don't discard the watermelon rind and seeds, they're packed with antioxidants too. Incorporate watermelon into your diet during the summer months for a hydrating and kidney-friendly treat. In conclusion, incorporating these 5 powerful fruits into your diet can optimize kidney function and promote overall well-being. However, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have existing kidney issues. By making mindful dietary choices and prioritizing kidney health, you can support your body's natural detoxification process and enjoy improved kidney function for years to come. Stay informed, stay healthy.